Guys, I think you're gonna have to do the rest of the movie without me.
Oh no, Missy. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just a mild case of Sniffly Snoffly Snoofly-itus.
Oh my. Well, be sure to rest up and drink plenty of fluids.
Dribble Scrubby Pets.
Okay, guys. Are we ready to blast off on space heroes working together to save the galaxy? Yay! Teamwork! Vamos! Let's get into our space uniforms. Perfecto! All of our uniforms are exactly alike.
Aw, you guys look so adorable!
Missy, we're all supposed to match.
Oh, okay. Ta-da! Ah! Gotcha. No lights.
Ahem. Missy, your tail?
Are the fireworks too much?
Missy, please just make yourself look exactly like everyone else and come join us.
It's no fun if I have to look like everyone else. Guys, I think you're gonna have to do the rest of the movie without me.
Oh no, Missy. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just a mild case of Sniffly Snoffly Snoofly-itus.
Oh my. Well, be sure to rest up and drink plenty of fluids.
Wow! Look at that alien green. I simply must have you as the star in my new sci-fi movie.
The star?
Come on, follow me! Zoom in tight. Closer, closer. I only want to see our star. Perfect.
Biko, are there any scenes where I get to wear flashy, fabulous clothes? Because I'm really good at that.
You can wear whatever you like. It's okay, the lasers aren't real. Well, except that.
Are we almost done?
Very almost. I'll be right back with more goo.
I'm feeling better, guys. Mind if I rejoin the team?
Of course. But everyone needs to be wearing the exact same thing.
I know.
Costume change!
Oh, wow! We look so adorable! Thanks, Peach.
Hey, we needed a bit of Missy magic.
And hit the goo!
Biko, you aren't even directing this movie!
True, I just love goo.